James is looking at me. Good morning! We're here in the kitchen right now and it's already noon. And kakain pa lang kami ng aming breakfast kasi si Dominic guys nagpa-fasting and ako kakagising ko lang. And say good morning!
And Hairden was just sleeping in.
Yeah! Look at that baby! So cute! You need to hold our camera, baby James.
Hello! Good morning.
Good morning!
How are
And what you're doing, baby?
Here's a
Dominic is already awake since what time?
you? 6:15.
6:15 in the morning, guys.
Yeah. But I go to bed earlier than Hairden. So we kind of have a rotation. So I go to bed around, I went to bed at midnight, woke up at 6. He went to bed around 4. Woke up at noon.
Like, it's supposed to be 10, but
Yeah,
it's
I heard the
been
alarm go off.
Yeah. It's supposed to be 10 kasi 6 hours lang yung sleep namin, guys. But I turned off my alarm and go back to sleep. And when I woke up again, it's already almost noon.
It's like that.
Yeah, James and Dominic went upstairs to
Yeah.
wake me up. But I'm already awake, guys. Just playing with my phone.
It looked like you were asleep.
Yeah,
You
that's
put
why
your
the-
phone down as soon as
yeah.
you walked in, so it looked like you were sleeping. Yeah, like just.
Yes, and Dominic is making his breakfast right now.
Yeah, I'm eating my leftovers. So instead of doing eggs, I'm doing burger and it's like cauliflower rice.
May meal prep kami, guys. Once a week lang kami nagluluto. Tapos, pag 1 week na siya, yung pagkain na sa fridge, ayun, hindi na namin siya kinakain, tapos nagluluto ulit ako. So, today is the last day, nakakainin ni Dominic yung food na to. And then after that, no more. Kasi 8 days na ata yung food namin. Oo, hindi fresh yung mga pagkain na niluluto namin except breakfast. Pero ngayon, Dominic, guys, is making his own breakfast. He don't let me cook his breakfast na.
Would you like to heat up my food? I can wait if you'd like.
Hey, Bata, did you eat your breakfast?
How many breakfasts have you eaten?
How many breakfasts you already had? Ah, Bata? So cute. Look at that black eyes. Look at him in the camera, babe. So good.
Ooh, he's always handsome.
So cute. You're so cute, P. Are you excited to go grocery with us? With Dada? Oh,
Cauliflower rice, regular rice, ground beef, cilantro, peppers,
and onions. And then he got his pate right there.
Yep, with low-fat cheese called the Laughing Cow. And then I add some mayonnaise as well. I'm out of my low-fat mayonnaise, so I'm doing Hairden's mayonnaise, which is
That's for your from your mom.
it's Hairden's mayonnaise.
Bulol ako ngayon.
Yep, that's it. And I do it on regular old bread. And
It's like a mini burger.
yeah, but they're like 100 calories for the one bun, so like total. So not bad.
Making my eggs now. Ayan. Init ko na yung food ko. Andyan na siya. Normally, nilalagyan ko lang yan ng salt. Tapos ng black pepper. Tapos lalagyan lang natin yan ng konting tabasco. Kasi gusto ko yung maanghang-anghang. Guys, yan lang yan. Bilis lang. Yan, luto na yan siya. Gusto ko kasi ng medyo soft egg siya. Hindi siya overdone. Kain tayo, guys. Hindi pa ako nakapaghilamos. Pero okay lang yan. Mamaya na. Kain muna ako. Kasi late na din. And this is my breakfast. Look at that. I got a fried rice. I got a eggs. And I got the cream spinach from my work. Tapos may dalawang meatballs from Dominic Snacks. How's your food?
Very good.
Grab a fruits, guys. Oh.
We got the fish. What do you call it? The tray.
Ika wooden tray. Dinala namin to, guys, from Philippines. Ang bigat-bigat ni guys. They're so heavy, so it's like it takes a lot of weight in our luggage, remember? But it's so heavy kasi it's very dense. Ayan, guys.
It was a nice
Ayan
gift.
siya. Pero, ito guys, lalagay mo dito pag may mga inihaw ka na isda, ganon. Oo, or something. Pero dito sa bahay, nilalagyan namin siya ng fruits. So far, meron kaming 1 orange and 2 bananas. And mamaya isa-stock namin yan kasi mag-grocery kami.
So yeah, it was full.
Yeah.
That means we ate all of our
But
fruit.
it's the end of a week already para sa amin.
Yeah.
Groceries, of course, we already finished.
Which I think is good. We have usually by the end of the week, we have a empty fridge.
It means we eat them.
Yeah.
Feeding time. Feeding time for this little munchkin. Ang dami na niyan yun guys kumain. Dati, 120 ml lang yan siya. Ngayon, binibigyan ko na yan siya ng 150 ml. Big boy na talaga ang baby James namin. Big boy na. Tingnan niyo yung kamay niya guys. Gusto niya yan, lagi siya nakahawak sa bottle niya. Pero weird kasi pag humahawak yan sa bottle niya, ayaw niya dito. Diyan yan siya lagi humahawak guys sa harapan. And Dominic says like, I know you wanna help, but you're not helping. Kasi pinupush niya yung bottle guys. Hi baby! Are you full na? Yee! Tingnan niyo naman yung paa niyan guys. Look at my alaga guys! Iyak na siya ng iyak. Andito na kami sa taas. Hindi ko alam kung ano nang gagawin dito. I already give you your toy. You're still crying. And kakatapos na namin mag-feed. Iyak pa din talaga. You wanna sleep? You can sleep with mama though. Oh, we can sleep with mama. Abo. Sleep with mama. Tummy time. Tummy time. We still sleep crying. Abo. Hi. Hi. Look, where are we again? We're here in the living room. Nanonood kami ng TV. Anyway guys, this is what we're watching. Netflix guys, ang title niya is Replacing Chef Chico.
Why did you come here?
Ayan, episode 3 na kami ni Baby James. Tulog na siya guys. Finally, natulog na din siya. Dito ako ngayon sa bathroom kasi nagbibihis ako at saka nag-aayos na din. Kakatapos ko lang mag-toothbrush and nakabihis na din ako. Ayan, t-shirt lang ako siya ka-shorts. Ayan yung shorts natin. Ayan. And t-shirt lang kasi nanay na tayo, di ba? T-shirt lang. Nag-aayos na ako ngayon ng aking face. Ayan, nagsiskincare na din ako. Ayan, kasi para pag dumating si Dominic, kasi nasa bank siya ngayon guys, para pagka dumating siya, diretso na kami sa grocery. Si Dominic na sana mag-grocery kaso sabi ko bibili ako ng soil para sa mga plants ko. Kaya sasama kami ni James. Nag-aayos ako. Andyan, ini-entertain niya yung sarili niya. Hi James! Good boy yan guys. Favorite niya yung swing niya talaga. Talagang eye-to-eye contact yan sila. At kapag tumitig yan guys, talagang ang tagal niya nakatitig. Tingnan mo mamaya, nakatitig pa rin yan. So, ayan, nakabihis na yan siya. Napunasan ko na din yung face niya. At nakadede na yan siya. So, ready to go na din yan si James. Tingnan nyo guys, yung dalawa nag-aaway. Ganyan sila nag-aaway guys. Nasabihan ko yun siya. Maging mabuti ka kasi Kuya James ka na. Ikaw yung mas matanda. Lagi yan sila nag-aaway guys. Ang cute, diba? Look.
Yeah. Oh no. Really? What do you think? You've been hanging with your mama? What'd you guys do?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Let me sleep.
Oh. Yeah. Oh really? You wanna go?
Someone's happy when the dad arrived, huh?
Do you wanna go grocery shopping with me? What do you think? Oh, does she got the camera on you again? Oh no. You change every time the camera turns on. You're like, oh, you're too smart, huh? I think you're right. Yeah, you're too smart. You see when the camera shows up and you're like, not me. I'm gonna hide my acting. Is that right? Yeah? No? Oh, okay.
I like him because he always like eye-to-eye contact all the
He
time.
does.
No?
Good eye contact. You're so sweet. Yeah. Thanks. That was like full tongue out. Did you see that? Ooh, what's mommy doing? What is that thing she always puts in your face? What is that? What is that? Oh, hey, you'll appreciate these memories later, sir.
Sa car na kami. As usual, dito na naman kami ni James sa likod. And we're going for a grocery. James! Wow! Big na gid si baby James ba? Mainit dito ngayon guys. It's like 77 degrees out. So mainit talaga siya. Kaya ito lang yung attire ni James. Sleeveless.
Muscle shirt.
Yeah. Boy, he always likes that. Wow, holding hands, Mama. Huh? How many minutes, sir?
11 minutes.
Can you make it faster?
I could. Yes, it might risk your life. More, but
How many more minutes? 11. 11 minutes, guys.
Erdine's favorite color is yellow, so look over here in this field.
Tignan nyo dito, guys. May mga baka. Parehas sila ng kulay.
Look right here.
Ayan. Oh, what is that?
No idea.
Why it's all flowers?
All flowers.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
It's yellow flowers. This yellow is my favorite. I think it's something, at least flowers or so. You know, they planted it. Merong fish pan dyan, guys. Ayan. So, pwede ka dyan mag-fishing pag may bayad. And ayan. Diba? Nasa main highway na pala kami. Going to the city.
Nice and empty.
Yeah. We're here in my
Garden section.
garden section.
She's trying to buy more
I'm
plants.
pitching, guys.
What do you think, James?
Look at James.
Trying to prevent her from buying more plants because she's got tons at the house that we need to keep alive as it is. Right? You having fun?
James looks having fun.
Yeah.
This is the first time we went outside with this baby career thing, right? Last time we went here, we used to.
Oh yeah. I guess we've gone on walks with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Dada will buy some garden soil. Look. And $6 each.
648.
$6.48. And I need how many, babe?
I don't know. I'm about to do the math. So give me a second.
It's windy right now. Kaya yung bata. Yung bata. How are you? How is he? Dada is right there. He's getting the soil. And yung bata, tingnan yung paa, guys. Oh, Dada is working hard. Let's go, boo.
Yeah. Now this is technically only half of
Of what I
Erden
need.
needs. She wanted to buy more plants. What the hell is she thinking, huh? Yeah. He's so smiley.
So no more space for a grocery.
What I said, we need two rounds. I said I knew for sure we were gonna have a bunch of soil, probably 2 carts.
Okay.
We're only doing Heritage, so we're fine. We're doing half for now.
No, I'll be back.
The above ground plant thing that we bought for you is split into 2 sections.
Yeah.
This will actually be good for 1 section.
Okay. Guys, tingnan nyo naman, guys. They're so pretty. Ayan. Nandito ako sa mga garden sections. Look at that. Look at this. They're so pretty. It's almost $25, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, mag-iikot nga kayo ako. May trolley na ako dito ngayon. May nabili akong isa dito. Ayan. So, $6 yun siya, guys. Maliit pa. Ayan. Marami pang iba dito. Kaso, mamahal na. Ayan. Ngayon ito, makakahingi ka lang dito sa Pinas eh. Hindi ko alam anong name yan. Ayan. Ito, guys, maganda. $5 ulit. May mga gumamela dito. Ayan. Ito mas maganda, guys. Kaso, tingnan nyo naman yung price niya. $17. Dito naman, puro mga outdoor plants. Ayan guys. Pero ang mamahal na niya, ayan, $25. $34 ata tong ferns na to. Mas marami pang mga tall gardens.
Still plant shopping.
Look at this. So cute, right?
It's very nice. What have we got in here?
He's like, Mom, go home.
So hi, James.
I never went here, that's why. Oh, this is a hot pepper.
Oh, want some of those? Make them hot sauce.
Yeah. Look at the flower.
Do you like hanging flowers or like more like plants?
I'm gonna add on my rock over there by the wall. So probably not hot. This one looks nice. Look, the color is pretty.
How much? What do you think, James?
Oh, can you imagine this is your backyard? So pretty. Okay, we're
Mama's
going
learned how
inside.
to take care of her plants. She'll have
This
a
is
garden
what
like
I
this one
got.
day.
See what I got there? I got 4.
She's got 4. And 10 bags of soil I already put in the car.
Hello guys! Patapos na kami! Aww! Hungry na ang baby namin guys. Hungry na ang baby. Oh! Magaw. Opo, we're almost done. Almost done. Aww. Gutom na to siya guys. Kasi every 2 hours kumakain yan siya. Baby James. Ha? Alo? Hungry na ikaw? Nagluluha yung mata niya guys. Hindi ko alam. Baka may pilik mata na nakatusok sa mata niya. Lala is over there. He's paying na.